Hey there, real quick, I'm sending out 2 paintings today and I thought I'd show you how I package my paintings when I ship them out. Okay, so these are the 2 paintings that I'm packaging up today, May 24 and May 25, and those are both from my Mayflowers collection. Okay, so all of my paintings I put into some sort of appropriate clear sleeve, and then all of my paintings that are larger than 5 by 7, I include certificates of authenticity, and the way that I package them is I put the painting in one side and then of the sleeve, and I put the certificate of authenticity on the other side. Then I also include a postcard, and on the one side of the postcard is some examples of my work, and on the other side is all of my social media details. So, and then I include a business card, which aren't these adorable? And they have a piece of art on the back too. So that's kind of the package right there. And I include a flyer that talks about what's new, what I'm working on, what upcoming collections I have, and I include, I'll put photos of my current collections if I have one, and then I handwrite a note thanking the buyer and asking them to support my art by following and leaving a positive review. And then I mail them out in these rigid mailers, and yeah, that's how I package them. And I include shipping in most of my pieces. It's just, if the US, why not, right? It's just easier for me to include shipping, and then I'm not dealing with that. And depending on the cost of the painting that I'm sending out, I'll ship either postal service or UPS, and it basically goes by the value, because if I need it insured, then I'll send it to more expensive shipping. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye. Okay, thanks for checking it out. These are some paintings from my latest collection, Cubism by Brenda Knoll. As always, please like, share, leave a positive review, blah, blah, blah. All those things you do on the internet cost you nothing but mean a lot. Thanks. Bye.